I'm Adrian Gobriel. Welcome to Sir Vivian Richard Cricket Stadium. It seats about 20,000 people, sits in the heart of Antigua, though it's now home to 152 evacuees from Barbuda. Hurricane Irma.
I felt that I just became a mother to hundreds of people from all ages, from 2 months to 89. They came in stressed, devastated, not knowing what was coming next. Presently, they're sleeping downstairs where the locker rooms will be, where the dorms will be. Our single mothers stay in the female dorms. Our families are in like the physiotherapy and coaches room.
What's the relief effort been like? What's your take on, what's been happening here in Antigua?
It's good. Today cannot complain. 3 meals per day, fresh fruits in the morning. It's very good.
So it's a real hard task. I'm not going to say it's easy. It's not. It's a hard task. But when you move with compassion and love, it removes things. It removes the break shoulder and the down courage. So it gives us strength to go on.
I'm a pilot.
Pilot?
Yeah, so first officer, so pilot with them, but we spend a lot of time over here on night stops. So obviously after the disaster, we thought if we can do a little bit to help, why not?
I think the focus is going to be helping the government in rebuilding their homes and getting the cleanup and making sure that the team are equipped to actually do the cleanup and the rebuild so that these guys can get home quickly.
Fighting a war.
Like fighting a war?
War, yeah. Wow. Wow.
It is going to take time to rebuild not only the island, but rebuild their lives, rebuild their comfortableness we've given them, because I think a lot of them are still stressed. A lot of them are still having emotional issues with the memories of what they go through.
The Prime Minister of Antigua estimates it could cost upwards of $300 million to rebuild Barbuda. It's about 1/5 of the entire country's GDP. As for how long evacuees are going to have to stay here at the stadium and other shelters, it could be anywhere from 6 months, even longer. In Antigua, I'm Adrian Gobriel, City News.